I am leading Rise Techno Solutions. Today we are going to install newly launched digital duplicating machine Minosha DD2500 in one of the famous school of Vadodara. So let me show you the unboxing and installation process. Thank you. This is for lifting the device. Minosha DD2500. It is having a printing speed of 140 pages per minute. This is paper input tray. This is paper output tray. Here is the drum unit. This is drum unit. This is master making unit. In this we have to take care of one thing. This is the thermal head clamp. Initially it will be in the closed stage. We have to open this first. And after that we can remove this paper. At the time of master installation, first it should be in open stage, and after feeding master it should be in closed stage. 2500A6. Now we have created master of legal size. 100 copies, 100 prints with the speed of 85 pages per minute. Here is the speed. 140 pages per minute speed. It is 140 pages per minute. This machine is having a printer interface also. We have connected USB cable with the machine. Now we are going to fire one print. We're taking it A4. Okay. Now it is making master. Show you some functions. Here there is one original mode, original, zoom, mode and density. Original is to set the paper size like A4, B4, B5. We can press reset for the home screen. There is one more option that we call it as a zooming option is there. We can reduce paper from A3 to A4, B5 to A5 like that from zoom option. One mode option is also there. In that we can change text mode, photo mode, paper. Even it is having a text photo mode, pencil mode, 2-in-1 mode. After that we have a master making density and scan density that we can change according to our requirement. Here there is a button of margin, leading edge and trailing edge. There is a speed button, that is speed will vary from 55 pages per minute, 70 pages per minute, 85 pages per minute, 105 pages per minute and 140 pages per minute. This is our first installation of Minosha DD2500 in my territory, and today we have installed this device successfully. Now we will take the feedback of our user. Kalpesh bhai.
Kalpesh bhai, એવું મશીન લીધું છે. આ પિક્ચર્સ પણ સારા છે, સ્પીડ પણ સારી છે, પિક્ચર્સ પણ બધા સારા છે. સારું મશીન છે. દિવસે ભાઈ આપણને મશીન બહુ સરસ છે.
તમે પહેલા યુઝ કર્યું એને કરતાં સ્પીડ
જે જૂનું મશીન એના કરતાં નવું મશીન લીધું બહુ સરસ સારું છે. ફંક્શન પણ સારા છે. બહુ સરસ મશીન છે.
થેન્ક યુ.